Guide you how you can insert right arrow in MS Word with the different methods. So first go to the insert and on the right side click on equation and a box will appear. Put the backslash and type right arrow and hit the space bar. And here right arrow is inserted. Another way is that press the Alt key and on the numeric side keypad press 2, 6 all together and release the Alt key, and here it is. If you want to insert thick arrow, then type 2 equal signs and put the greater than sign, and here it is. If you want to insert thin arrow, then put the 2 hyphens and insert greater than sign. This is another way. Another way is that go to the insert, click on symbol, go to the more symbols, and in the font section you need to select the normal tags, and in the subsect you need to select arrows and type 2192 in the character code, and your cursor will move to the right arrow. Select it, click insert, close it. Moreover, for a filled or a solid triangle, you need to press Alt key and on the numeric side press 1, 6 and release the Alt key. And here it is, you can see that. So these are the different methods in which way you can insert right arrow in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.